First, we'll open the door. We'll use this plastic trim remover tool to take out that plastic cover right there. Once that plastic cover is taken out, behind that plastic cover there is a screw right there. We'll be using a Phillips screwdriver to take that screw out. Screw is out. Notice at the bottom of the inner door handle there is a switch panel that also needs to be taken out. We'll be using the same trim remover tool to pull it out. Behind the switch panel there are two plugs that needs to be taken out. Just press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. One plug is out. Similar needs to be done on the second plug as well. Press and hold the tab and then pull the plug outwards. This separates the switch panel to be removed from the door panel completely. Behind the door panel there's one screw that needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. Now using the same trim remover tool we will have to pull out the armrest of this door panel. We got the armrest pulled out, but there was one tab right there that got stuck. To take that tab out, just play around and wiggle back and forth until you're able to take out the armrest cover. There we got the armrest cover taken out completely. This also proves that you could actually replace your armrest cover in case if it gets damaged, so you do not have to replace the complete door panel for that. Behind the armrest cover there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. And there's that final screw taken out. Towards the bottom edge of the right side of the door panel, this section right here, there's actually some space here that you could put your fingers in, and then you can pull this door panel outwards. Just like that. Now from the other side, we will use a tool like this. We'll punch in the tool in the bottom corner and we'll try to pull the door panel out. There we got the bottom part pulled out. We'll also need to pull out the top part as well. Using the trim remover tool, do take out this plastic cover because it will be holding on to the door panel. Now we will slightly lift up the door panel upwards until it's completely taken down. Notice behind the door panel there are two harnesses that needs to be taken out. Just pull the harness outwards and then lift up the harness to take it out completely. Same goes for the bottom one. Just pull it outwards first and then lift it upwards to take it out completely. Now from the bottom part, notice it has a light underneath. So while I was taking my door panel out, this was just out completely itself. But in the perfect world, this plug is actually attached right there. All you have to do is just press this tab right here and then pull the plug outwards. Just like that. This way you should get the plug taken out. This seemed already broken once I took out the door panel, so I may have to put it back or glue it depending on the situation if it's broken or not. What I noticed was this thing was very fragile and really easy to break. So just be very careful while taking out the door panel. And you take out this light very carefully. But in normal cases, you just take out the plug for it and you should be fine. But in my case, I have to put this light completely back to where it came from. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. If you want to put this door panel back, all you have to do is just reverse the entire steps and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.